We've actually been in Lincoln 24 years. We've been in love with it ever since. We felt privileged to be in Montana. And Lincoln's such a great community with so much great potential. Anywhere in Montana is a vacation. I can't ever see ever living anywhere else. We feel privileged to be here, and we always want to be a positive contribution to the community. Well, I ended up at Benefis like most men. We never take care of ourselves. We never get any remodels or any maintenance checks. And so mine was a 61-year journey of refusing to go to any medical facility for anything. I had all the cures. I had my own tape to tape stuff up, and I had ibuprofen. The problem is it caught up with me, and here I am outside working, and I had a small muscle pull. And believe it or not, that's what got me into the hospital that night. The EMT crew came here at 11:15 at night, and they put the pulse ox on me, and it like smoke's coming out of it. And they're looking at each other going, "Oh my gosh, not like this." I'm going, "Guys, I can see your face. What's wrong?" And they said, "Well, you're up around 250 beats a minute." Got me in the ambulance, got me to a chopper crew between here and Great Falls. The chopper crew got me into the emergency room, and it was all an out-of-body experience. Never been in a hospital, and I remember in the ambulance thinking, I can't believe this is me. I used to see this on TV, but now this is me. And I got to tell you that everybody put me at ease. Anyway, my wife was never left in the dark. My family was always welcome. And it was, honestly, I can look back and say it was a great experience, and I am a miracle sitting here. The cardio doctor told me that I had congestive heart failure. That's probably the most emotional moment I had there. In any event, I was an AFib. Didn't even know what AFib was. And so they immediately got control of that. I was never in any pain. I was cared for greatly, and so was my family. They treated my family with great respect, and I think that probably started out that week in the hospital really, really good, and I was well taken care of. And the RNs were very open, explained everything to me, and I learned more probably about my body in probably the last year than I would ever have. The way we've been treated, and even my family at Benefis has just been fantastic. No, I'd say the fact that Benefis has managed to hang on to that personal relationship thing with a patient. Because we're at our most vulnerable moment. We're absolutely helpless. And you guys have got an amazing opportunity to step in, and you did. But I think right now, I've got more energy than I've had in 5 years. Patty will tell you, my wife will tell you that I didn't even realize it, but I was down to a crawl. I was getting to where I was really getting nothing accomplished at all. And when I was working on my kid's house in Great Falls, she reminded me, she said, "Babe, you weren't even hardly walking from one place to the other." But I'm the kind of person who'll just keep going. And I look back in retrospect now over the last 4 or 5 years, and it's unbelievable that I went as far as I did and got as much done as I did. But I'd have to say that my energy level has improved 80% over just a year and a half, 2 years ago. And yeah, now I'm actually getting the amount of work done that I maybe did when I was 35. And I'm 62 now, so. And I did it for the sake of the love of my family. My wife deserved more than that. My family deserved more. I see playing on the Oregon coast with my grandkids. I see riding my dirt bikes with my grandsons. I see continuing to work until the day I just fall over because I'm so old. That's what I see. I'm all about family. I've kind of identified myself with my family. You know, I've been married 43 years, 3 grown daughters married, 8 grandkids, so family's everything to me. So anything that I wanted to accomplish was to further that.